have joining us Namit Saxena, an advocate who is on record with the Supreme Court. There's also Shiraj Nair joining us, spokesperson of the VHP. There's Ahmed Ayaz joining us, a lawyer and a political analyst. Now, Mr. Ahmed Ayaz, I'm going to be coming to you because this is what we've been getting for our viewers. The writ petition which has been filed by Ashwini Upadhyay clearly saying that the Places of Worship Act of 1991, and this is the crux of the entire claim by the Muslim side, that it offends all the rights of the Hindus and the Jains as well as several of these to manage, maintain and administer their own Places of Worship Act, even if it is been in possession with someone else over the years, and they must get this right, because where the deity is placed, that becomes the area and the ownership of the deity itself, and it belongs to the deity. This property then belongs to the deity, even if it is misappropriated. Ahmed Ayaz, do you think this is going to be crucial to decide this writ petition which has been filed in the Supreme Court, challenging this very act that the Muslim side has based its petition on?
It should be that crucial to decide, because there are very, on two counts. One, that there is already, this religious Places Act in place as long as 1991 is concerned, which clearly, which clearly envisages that there must not be any change or, conversion or any sort of disturbance on these on the religious places, and it should exist as on 1947. So that being one account, and second being that the atmosphere between the various communities in the country is going to be reshaped by such issues. So as such, on these counts, to see that the communal harmony is maintained and there's no disharmony in the country, I think these two grounds should be sufficient for the any court to say that...
Let me put that across to Namit Saxena. This is the contention which has been made. The first contention itself, we are going to refire the graphics which has been contended by the Muslim side, is that the attempt to circumvent the stay, as well as this is about maintaining peace on the ground, that itself is a strong enough contention to stop the survey which is currently on. The report hasn't been filed. Namit Saxena.
No, I don't think so. The law and order is to be maintained by both the parties. This is a civil suit at the end of the day. The court is seized of the matter. In fact, this challenge on the 1991 law, the Supreme Court is now seized of the matter because they issued notice way back. And this civil dispute, and I'll tell you, the civil dispute is of threefold nature. One, there is the restoration of cultural heritage. Second, there is right, the plaintiffs are seeking right to continuous worship. And third is that the plaintiffs are claiming that there is illegal occupation on the property. So there's a very broad sweep of the civil suit as well.